These are the elevators at Terminal C, which are the only elevators at Terminal C, because this terminal does not have multi-floors in the post-security area, and the plane train does not go underground in Terminal C. And this is at Wesleyland International Airport in Wesleyland. No bell down here. The bell's broken. We got Dover Impulse elevators. We are going to go to level 3. Door close button works. I like that. This is a Dover from the 80s. And it's got the bird chirp. Here on 3. Alright, let's see if the bell works up here. Yep, it does. So terminals A and B have elevators in them in post-security, not Terminal C. And that's it.